Hi, this is a demo for action rule extraction, and me as part of Group 9 in KDD Project is representing this demo for you. Here our main class is KDD Group Project, and we have designed a GUI using the Swing Designer. Now I shall run the program for you. We have to choose an attribute file and data file. So choose an attribute file. Which is a text file, and choose a data file which is also a text file, and enter the minimum support, say 2, and enter minimum confidence, say 60%, and click on load. So once the load is clicked, you will be displayed with the available attributes, and choose a decision attribute from the available attributes, say doors, and enter the decision value, say from 1 and value to as 4, and click on the get the attributes. So we will be displayed with the available stable attributes, and from the available stable attributes, enter a stable attribute, say buying, and click on the generate action rules. And we will be generated with the certain rules and the possible rules, both in console as well as the output file. Now we can see the output being displayed in the output file.